Hi everyone, I'm Ebony and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I've created 4 simple hairstyles for fall that can all be achieved in 5 minutes or less. To get started, I've parted out the back section of hair, and in the front I'm making 2 large cornrows. Each style in this video will feature the same cornrows. I'm about to give you a natural hair styling hack. You can braid the front section of your hair down and leave the back out like I'm doing in this video, and you can actually achieve multiple hairstyles without having to rebraid the front of your hair at all. This is something that I do frequently and it was my inspiration for this video. Now that I've completed the cornrows, it's time to move on to the back of my hair. The first thing I'm doing is misting the back of my hair with some water. I'm going to be detangling this section because my hair is pretty matted and I don't like to manipulate my hair in this state. So I just take an old hair bottle and I add a little bit of water to it, and I just spray my hair all over and then I'm detangling. When I detangle, I use a wide tooth comb and I start at my ends and work my way up to the root. Additionally, when detangling my hair, I always work in sections. Now that my hair is detangled, the rest of the video will be very simple. The first style is a low puff. To create my low puff, I'm basically just separating my hair. I take this additional step just to get my hair to lay pretty flat, and I'm brushing it all back into a ponytail. Instead of making a ponytail, I'm going to leave the ponytail holder pretty loose and create a puff. After I've created my puff, I just take the ends of each braid and secure it with a bobby pin. This is look number 1. This is a style you can definitely achieve in less than 5 minutes. In fact, this is a style that I actually wear frequently. Once I have those braids in the front of my hair, it's really simple for me to make a low puff in the back of my head. For style 2, I'm taking the same puff and making a low bun. So instead of leaving the ponytail holder loose, I'm actually making a ponytail, and I'll be wrapping my hair around and securing it with some bobby pins to make a bun. This style is also very simple and can definitely be completed in less than 5 minutes. And here's the final look. I like to wear this style when I want all of my hair to be protected. If you're enjoying this video and you love simple 5-minute hairstyles, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's move on to style 3. For style 3, I'm making a high puff. It's basically style number 1, but the position of the puff has changed. So to do this, I just brush my hair upward and I take that same ponytail holder and I make a puff and I just secure the ends with some hairpins. And here's the final look. This style can definitely be achieved in 5 minutes. If you want to jazz it up a bit, you can actually add a headband or some hair accessories. Let's move on to the final style in this video. Style number 4 is a high bun. To create this bun, I'm taking the same puff from style number 3 and I'm pulling the ponytail holder and making a ponytail. Then I take my hair and wrap it around in a bun. And that's it. You can definitely achieve this in 5 minutes or less. So what style was your favorite? Mine is definitely between 3 and 4, although I do wear my hair in all 4 styles. This video is coming to an end. Please hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more from me. And also check out some of my other uploads. I do upload weekly. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.